This video guides how to configure SAU pins for RA0 MCUs in the FSP Smart Configurator. Serial Array Unit, or SAU, is a connectivity peripheral in the RA0 series of RA MCU. RA0 MCUs have up to 2 SAU units, SAU0 and SAU1, each with up to 4 SAU channels. Each channel supports simplified SPI, 3-wire serial, UART or simplified I2C function. UART also supports LIN bus. In RA-FSP, these functions are supported by SAU SPI, SAU UART, SAU I2C and SAU LIN HAL drivers. This video guides how to configure SAU pins in an RA0E2 FSP project. Open Pins tab. Under Peripherals, Connectivity, you'll find SAU I2C, SAU SPI, and SAU UART for pin setup. To configure SAU I2C, select the desired channel, then set the operation mode to Simple I2C and choose the appropriate pin group. Pins are assigned according to the mode and pin group. SAU SPI has 2 operation modes. Simple SPI, all pins are required and auto-assigned. Custom, no mixed. Unused pins can be set to none. SAU UART works similarly with SAU SPI. Please note the following guidelines when using SAU to ensure proper operation. 1. Same pin group. For I2C channels, pins must come from the same group. Except SAU I2C11, which allows mixed. 2. 1 mode per channel. Each SAU channel can only run one function at a time. For example, SPI 00, UART 0, and I2C 00 all belong to SAU 0 channel 0. If SAU I2C 00 is set to Simple I2C function, SAU SPI 00 will automatically be set to disabled and cannot be used. SAU UART 0 will also be automatically set to disabled and cannot be used. 3. Switching modes. To change a channel's operation mode, disable it in the other modules first. Example, SAU 0 channel 0 is currently set to the Simple I2C function. To switch to UART, you must first set the SAU I2C 00 to disabled. Then, set SAU UART 0 as UART function. For more information about RA-FSP, please visit Renesas website.